Hi everyone, so welcome back to our channel. Today is Thursday and it's already 5:06, so we're gonna do some Uber trips until 11 or 10 since my incentive today. Try natin ma-hit siya bago mag 9 PM. So first 6, 3 and another 3. So let's go. Since wala pa mapapasok na order, punta muna tayo dun sa hotspot place. Okay, kaka-pick up lang natin yung first order. Nabot tayo ng 30 minutes waiting time. So medyo matagal, no? But it's only 2.6 kilometers away from the customer. So ito yung unang delivery natin for today. Let's just do this. Sa mga curious kung paano nagaganap yung payout sa Uber, may dalawang paraan para makapag-payout. Isa yung cash out daily, which is you can do maximum of 4 times in a day. Pero yun, may transaction siya around $1 eh. Or you can do the weekly cash out. So kay Uber, automatic na nagwi-withdraw siya, I think after midnight ng Sunday, hindi ako nagkakamali. So ika-cash out niya automatically kung magkano yung balance mo sa account every midnight ng Sunday, and then usually pumapasok sa account mo ng Tuesday ng gabi or Wednesday ng umaga. Pero pinakamaga Tuesday ng tanghali. Pero yun, wala yung fee, unlike yung cash out mo daily. Ang maganda naman sa cash out daily, just in case you have an emergency, pwede mong kuhanin or mag-withdraw. Darating agad sa bank account mo mga less than 5 minutes. So madali lang. Pero yun nga, $1 per cash out, and you can do it maximum of 4 times. So itong first order natin to, medyo mababa yung fee niya, no? $6 and something, hindi pa umabot ng $7. Pero 4 kilometers lang. Okay din, pero hindi na rin masama, parang average lang siya. Kasi yung account natin nasa platinum tier na. I think may green, blue, gold, then platinum, then pinakamataas yung diamond. Kung nasa green ka, parang everyday meron kang quest or incentive na makukuha mo on top of the delivery fee. So habang tumataas yung level mo, no, yung ting nababawasan yun. So since nasa second to the top na yung account natin, medyo parang twice to 4 times a week na lang tayo nakakuha ng quest. So yesterday and today, yun na yung ginagawa natin ngayon. So I think pag diamond na, medyo once a week na lang siguro ang ibibigay, pero we'll see. Alright, so we just finished the drop off. So pag walang pumasok agad, balik tayo doon sa hotspot, no? Kasi nga, we'll try to complete the 12 trips incentive today. Sana may natin bago mag 9. Okay, we just got a second order, and 3.3 kilometers away. Alright, we're done with the second drop. Balik tayo ulit, no, kasi wala pa namang pumapasok. So ganun lang. Okay, so nakuha tayo ng dalawang order, sabay siya, pero magkaiba ang customer. So kahit nasabay, 2 counts pa rin siya sa incentive. So that's done. 4 kilometers. Okay, done with the third. So nakapag-drop off na tayo. And time check hits 6:12. Balik tayo sa hotspot. We're 5 out of 6. Okay, we're on our 6th drop. Then makukuha natin yung incentive na una. So guys, quick update. Time check is 9:55. Kaarating lang natin sa bahay. Ang total earnings natin for today is $253.63. So that is 17 trips. Nakatanggap tayo ng promotions kanina dahil sa mga incentive. So the promotion is $60 and nakatanggap tayo ng tip na $24. So ang total hours ng binahe natin is 5 hours. So sarado na natin sa 5 hours, no? Ang total mileage natin na biyahe is 74 kilometers. And ang fuel consumption is around 6 liters per 100 kilometers. So sobrang tipid na niya, no? I mean, fuel consumption natin siguro naglalaro lang ng mga $10 to $15. So ang per hour rate natin is around $45 to $50 per hour. So that's it for today. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa mga ganitong klase ng video, please do subscribe, like, or share. And we will keep you posted for upcoming biyahe pa natin sa Uber. And yeah, thank you for your support and shout out for all of our subscribers. Thank you.